10th biology. First chapter we are going to start with nutrition, that is food supplying system. As the name itself indicates, food, that is all the living organisms require food for their survival, right from unicellular organism like amoeba, paramecium to highly developed organisms like human being. Nutrition is nothing but taking in of food or procurement of the food is called as nutrition. In class 9th we have learned about different systems like digestive system, respiratory system. Now these all systems work in our body to perform the function which are called as life processes. That is the process which helps in the survival of an organism are called as life processes. Some of the life processes are nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion. So now here in detail we are going to learn about nutrition. As I have said you that nutrition is nothing but procurement of food. As such we eat food. Eating food only to satisfy our hunger is not called as nutrition. Nutrition contains certain nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. If all these are present in the required amount, then it means nutrition. Nutrition is divided into two: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, example plants. That is, autotrophic nutrition is exhibited by autotrophs. Autotrophs are the organisms which can synthesize their own food. That is, the organisms which can prepare their own food are called as autotrophs. Example plants and some of the photosynthetic bacteria. The nutrition which is exhibited by them is called as autotrophic nutrition. Other type is heterotrophic nutrition, which is exhibited by all the other living organisms. That is, organisms which cannot prepare their own food are called as heterotrophs, and the nutrition exhibited by them is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Now we have learned about autotrophic nutrition, which is exhibited by plants. Plants prepare their food or synthesize their food by a process called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is defined as a photochemical reaction in which plant uses certain materials like sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll and synthesize their food in the form of carbohydrates. So photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction where plants uses carbon dioxide, water in the presence of chlorophyll which is present in the green leaves in the presence of sunlight. These are the raw materials of photosynthesis. Now photosynthesis, an important equation which is overall reaction of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2, which is a very important reaction. We have learned according to the equation or according to photosynthesis that plants prepare carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is converted into starch in plants. With the help of an activity, we will learn the presence of starch in leaves. Now, open your reader, page number 3. You have activity 1 given. You can see the diagram which is being performed. For this, we require certain materials like a beaker which is filled with water, 3/4 with water. We have a test tube in which there is methylated spirit present, a leaf which is kept over a Bunsen burner. Now procedure. First take a beaker, fill it 3/4 with water, keep it over a tripod stand and then take a test tube, fill the test tube half with methylated spirit and take a small leaf and put in the test tube. Now on the Bunsen burner the water starts boiling. As the water starts boiling, the color of the leaf slowly changes. The leaf becomes pale green in color, that is very light greenish color, or completely the color disappears. After a few minutes, turn on the Bunsen burner, take out the test tube from the beaker, remove the leaf and put the leaf in a petri dish. Then take iodine solution, a pinch of tincture iodine solution, or instead of iodine solution, we can also take betadine solution. Put few drops of betadine or iodine solution over the leaf. The leaf, which has become very pale in color, will turn into blue-black color, indicating the presence of starch. So this experiment helps us to prove that leaves contain starch in them. This is test for starch. Test for starch is done with the help of iodine or betadine solution, one of the very important point. Now, in your reader, go through the lesson till here, till this activity, and underline all the important points. Thank you.